Okay, here is our chicken tractor. We bought it as just a plain coop from Tractor Supply, but we added on these back wheels, and take this part here and it goes down and it latches in to a hole down in the wood, and that's pressure treated wood, and that lifts the whole back end up. And then we hook this on to our riding lawnmower and we can pull it around. So, but to move it tomorrow, we'll just need to lift up the front end here, and we'll pull it down here, give them fresh grass, or I should say maybe not tomorrow, whenever they've destroyed this grass, because then this whole row, and then moving on up, is going to be where I plant corn. So however much I can get them to get done by the time I plant corn. But there's a latch here. We're going to put them in through there. We have 5 chickens and 4 turkeys. Now the turkeys won't be staying here forever. They'll be getting their own house. And then you can enter this way to get in. That doorway there has a sliding door. So we'll wait till evening. When we do move it, we'll wait till evening, slide the door shut when they're in there. So anyway, first you can open up this window for ventilation, and then this whole thing opens up so you have access. Great, now I can't get it open. Closed. I'll be coming out with the chickens. I'll have it all open. This tray slides out to be cleaned. And come around back. There's another slide for some ventilation. And then right here, okay, put this on. I don't know how to get it off. Probably gonna mess it all up. Anyway, yeah, I don't see how this comes off. Anyway, that comes off. I'll have to find out from him how it comes off. And there's nest boxes. We'll be able to collect the eggs. So yeah, everything can be accessed from the back, the side, and the front. So very excited. As soon as he gets out here with the chickens, I'll have him show me how to open up the nest boxes. So they look like they were really enjoying the ride.
Think they want another ride?
Yeah, they liked it. I ain't gonna get them out.
I actually got one with 2 doors.
Yeah. Gross. Well, you freaked them out, I'm sure. Okay, got everybody in. But they're going to be joined by 5 hens now for a month. And then a turkey boy and a turkey girl, they'll be getting their own little pen. So I think they're really liking it outside in the fresh air. They've been cooped up in the shed for, well, since they were chicks. So even though they'll be squished up in there a little bit with the hens, but we'll be getting them, like I said, 2 of them get their own coop. Then we're going to build a bigger tractor for our meat birds, because in the house I got 42 chicks. So anyway, we'll be building lots of coops and tractors and so anyway. So yeah, 2 of them will be for meat, and we're going to keep a couple so we can have our own turkey eggs. So yeah, I'm moving the camera, shaking my leg. I gotta stop that. So anyway, and we're working on the beds. We got some dirt in, we fill the rest up, but since it was like really cold, we stopped working on that to start working on the coop. I lost quite a bit. I lost all my tomatoes, not all my tomatoes, I think there's like 3 alive. But I have more growing, so it's not too big a deal. I lost my beans. I'm going to plant some more beans tomorrow to start growing. So anyway, not horrific. We're discussing for next year maybe getting a hoop house, greenhouse, so we don't have to worry as much. Anyway, that's the plan. Maybe. So, but yeah, so we're gonna get another couple of these probably, and we're gonna tractor all the chickens. We might start tractoring rabbits too, we're not sure yet. Okay, the chicks are in, the chickens with the turkeys. So anyway, yep, food and water is always good. They're starting to pick at the grass, that's good. Turkeys in the back. Yeah, I missed filming the hens getting put in because somebody called about some rabbits. So they're coming in an hour to get rabbits.